There's only one power supply and pedal for all three machines. Gonna show that they turn on. Turn it on. The light comes on. Press the pedal. Don't know if it works properly or not. Okay. That was the middle one. Here's the one on the end. The light does come on, but when you press the pedal, this does not go up and down, but it spins. I'm not sure how to get it to work or not. Now we're going to plug in the one on the other end. Turn it on. Light comes on. Gonna hit the pedal. That spins, but nothing comes on. So don't know if any of them work properly, but all the lights come on, and this is the only one that goes up and down. But I did not see that spinning when plugged in. Let's try it again. But it's not spinning. Might be for parts or repair. Start your bidding now. Whoop whoop.